Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is in the healthcare field as a medical records specialist. But real quickly, before we dive into all the details, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out on another job lead, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and if you're interested in anything that I share, the links to put those applications in are always in the YouTube description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Included Health. Now, they are hiring a medical record specialist. This is remote within the United States. Now, the medical record specialist is an important part of Included Health because you'll be representing the patients by tracking down vital medical records. So that is the primary objective, is to obtain medical records from different provider locations. You'll have to communicate with the medical offices, hospitals, laboratories in an effort to get the correct medical records for a patient's case. You'll then organize the collection of medical records in specific categories once you receive them. So you'll have to be able to speak clearly and confidently and have a friendly phone demeanor. This is not a call center where you'll be taking inbound calls, but you will have to pick up the phone and make outbound calls to the doctor's offices or to the labs requesting information. So you need to be a great problem solver and be able to handle fast-paced environment. Now, if that sounds like something that you want to do, they pay $21 an hour, and they're looking to have someone start on November 28th, 2022. So that is just about 3 weeks. So they're going to be getting in applications. They're going to be pulling you in for interviews. They're going to be selecting candidates, getting you through all of the drug testing or anything that they do, all of that pre-employment paperwork, and your actual start date is November 28th. So if you're interested in this, get those applications in quickly. But they are looking for someone who has great attention to detail, someone who can have a great sense of humor. They do want someone who can work the Google Apps or Adobe Pro or content management system, somebody who can troubleshoot basic technical issues. Now, they do prefer a college degree, but it says experience in lieu of a college degree will be considered. So you don't actually need to have a college degree as long as you have some kind of experience with medical records or some kind of business-to-business information collection practice. They do pay for training, and training will be held for 2 weeks, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.